Hello everyone and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Adli bin Muhammad Radzi. I am from Bachelor of Automotive Engineering Technology. My student ID is 50225121295. Today I want to present about numerical integral. Okay, so first question 1 is numerical integration for the definite integral. 1 of 0 bracket x power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2 dx. So for question A is to find the value of the definite integral 1 of 0 bracket x power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2 dx using normal integration. We can expand the square term and integrate each term individually. So uh, we can get 1 of 0 bracket x power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2 dx equal 1 of 0 bracket x power of 4 minus 2 x power of 2 plus 1 bracket dx. And then for integrating each term separately is 1 of 0 x power of 4 dx minus 1 of 0 2 x power of 2 dx plus 1 of 0 dx and equal to brackets 1 over 5 bracket x power of 5 minus bracket 2 over 3 and bracket x power of 3 plus 1 bracket 0 comma 1 bracket, and we can get equal bracket 1 over 5 bracket and bracket 1 power of 5 bracket minus bracket 2 over 3 bracket and bracket 1 power of 3 bracket plus bracket 1 bracket minus double bracket 1 over 5 bracket 0 power of 5 bracket minus bracket 2 over 3 bracket 0 power of 3 bracket and plus double bracket 0 and equal to 1 over 5 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 minus 0, and then we can get equal 1 over 5 minus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3, and then equal 1 over 5 minus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3, and then equal negative 2 over 15 plus 3 over 3 and equal negative 2 over 15 plus 5 over 15, and then equal 3 over 15, and then lastly we can get equal 1 over 5. Therefore the value of the definite integral using normal integration is 1 over 5. Okay, next we go to question B is um, to find the approximation value using trapezoidal and Simpson's rule. For n equal 8, we need to divide the interval bracket 0, 1 bracket into 8 subintervals. And the question is we using trapezoidal rules. So h equal to bracket b minus a over n bracket equals bracket 1 minus 0 over 8 bracket and equals to 1 over 8. And after that, applying the formula for trapezoidal rule, and we get trap. Trap is trapezoidal is trap bracket 8 bracket equal bracket 1 over 8 bracket times bracket f bracket 0 bracket plus 2f bracket 1 over 8 bracket plus 2f bracket 2 over 8 bracket plus 2f bracket 3 over 8 bracket plus 2f bracket 4 over 8, and then do the same until 7, and after that plus with f bracket 1 bracket and bracket again. So after that, we calculating the function values, and we can get f bracket x bracket equal bracket x power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2, and then we do from 1 until 8 subintervals, which is first is f bracket 0 bracket equal 0 power of 2 minus 1 and bracket power of 2 and equal 1. And the second, f bracket 1 over 8 equal bracket 1 over 8 power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2 and equal with 1 over 64 minus 1 bracket power of 2 and equal with 63 power of 64, oh sorry, 60 equal with 63 over 64 power of 2, and we can get the answer equal with 3969 over 4096. And then second is f bracket 2 over 8, and then equal with double bracket 2 over 8 power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2 equal bracket 1 over 16 minus 1 bracket power of 2 and equal with negative 15 over 6 bracket power of 2, and lastly the answer is equal 225 over 256. And the next step is 3 over 8 equal 3 over 8 power of 2 minus 1 and bracket power of 2 and equal with 9 over 64 minus 1 bracket and power of 2 and equal with negative 55 over 64 bracket power of 2, and the last answer is 3025 over 4096. And then step number 4 is f f4 over 8 equal bracket 4 over 8 power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2 equal bracket 1 over 4 minus 1 bracket over power of 2 and uh, equal with negative 3 over 4 power of 2, and you can get the answer is 9 over 16. And number 5 is f bracket 5 over 8 equal bracket 5 over 8 bracket minus the power of 2 minus 1 bracket the power of 2 equal bracket 24 over 64 minus 1 bracket power of 2 and equal with bracket negative 39 over 64 bracket power of 2 equal with 1521 over 4096, and repeat the same things 6 over 8 with f, and we can get 9 over 16 minus 1 uh, bracket power of 2 and then equal bracket negative 7 over 16 bracket the power of 2 and equal with 49 over 256, and then 7 f7 bracket over 8 equal with 49 over 64 minus 1 bracket power of 2 and equal with the bracket negative 15 over 64 bracket and the power of 2, and we can get 225 over 4096. And lastly is f bracket 1 and then equal with bracket 1 the power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2, and we can get the answer is equal with 0. So next, for last substituting is substituting these values into the formula. uh, we get trapezoidal or trap. So trap is 8 equals bracket 1 over 8 times bracket 1 plus 2 bracket 3969 over 4096 bracket plus 2 bracket 2 to 5 over 256 bracket plus 2 bracket 3025 over 4096 bracket plus 2 bracket 6 over 9 plus 2 bracket 9 over 16 bracket plus 2 bracket 1521 over 4096, and then bracket and then plus with 2 bracket 49 over 256 bracket plus 2 bracket 2 to 5 over 4096 bracket, and lastly plus 0 after then bracket. And then to get the trapezoidal rule is we simplifying and calculating this expression will give us the approximation value using trapezoidal rule, and lastly using the Simpson rules. To use the Simpson rule is sim bracket 8 bracket equal with bracket hash over 3 bracket times, and then f bracket x0 plus f4 bracket x1 plus 2f bracket x2 plus 4f bracket x3 plus 2f bracket x4 plus 4f bracket x5 and plus with 2. This is the answer. So that's all for the question 1 for numerical integration. And now I want to pass for my teammate is Muhammad Hafiz bin Ramli. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firas Aiman bin Azman. Today I want to presentation for the question number 2. My my presentation is application of integration. Okay. Okay, there are two functions are defined as follows. Fx equal negative x the power of 3 plus x the power of 2 plus 16 x and gx equal 4x. Oh, okay. The question for the A, use any graphic tool to represent the two functions and shape the region enclosed by the two functions. The label it. Okay. Okay. This is a graph for the question A. We have a blue line F x equal for x and red line for the in the graph. Fx equal, oh sorry, in front I forget to put the negative at negative x the power of 3 plus x the power of 2 plus 16x. Okay, next the question of B from A, determine the coordinates of the intersection point of the two functions. There are two coordinate intersection point, which is first coordinate is axis x is 4 and axis y is 16. The ano- other one is negative 3x axis and negative 12 y axis. Okay, the question for the C is determine the area of the shade region about the x-axis. Okay, okay. This is starting for the answer for the question C. Before I proceed, I did a mistake for
Action. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi to everyone. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Piramli. I'm from course Automotive Engineering Technology. So my ID is 5022522110. So today I want to explain about application of differentiation. So now we see to calculate the rate at which x is changing, we can use implicit differentiation to find the derivative of equation with respect to time. Okay, the given equation is 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 1 over 9. Differentiation both side of the equation with respect to time, which is bracket t, we get so bracket d over dt bracket 1 over x plus bracket d over dt uh, bracket 1 over y equal to bracket d over dt bracket 1 over 9. So to find bracket d over dt bracket 1 over x, we can use the change rule, which states that if y equal to fx, then bracket d over dt bracket 1 over y equal dy over dt over y power of 2. So in this case, d over dt 1 over x equal bracket dx over dt over x power of 2. So we are given that dy over dt equal 8 cm per second, and we need to find the dx over dt when x equal to 15 centimeter. So substituting the given value into the equation, we have bracket dx over dt bracket over bracket x power of 2 plus bracket 8 over bracket y power of 2 equal to 0. So to solve for dx over dt, we need to find the value of y when x equal to 15 centimeter. So we can use the original equation to do this. Substituting x equal 15 into the equation 1 over x plus 1 over y equal to 1 over 9, we can solve for y. Okay, 1 over 15 plus 1 over y equal to 1 over 9. multiplying through by 135y, we can get 9y plus 15 brackets 135 equal 15y. So simplifying, 9y plus 2025 equal to 15y. So we get down here 6y equal to 2025, and y equal to 337.5, 337.5. So we look at next page. So now we can substitute the value of x and y into the equation. So brackets d over dt over bracket x power of 2 plus bracket 8 over bracket y power of 2 equal to 0. So bracket d over dt over bracket 15 power of 2 plus 8 over bracket 337.5 power of 2, we get equal to 0. And then dx over dt over 225 plus 8 over 1 13906.25 equal to 0. So to simplifying, dx over dt over 2 to 5, we get negative 8 over 113,906.25. So dx over dt equal to negative 8 bracket negative 8 bracket 2 to 5 over 113,906.25. So dx over dt equal to negative 0.0158 centimeter per second. So therefore, when x equal to 15 centimeter, the rate at which x is changing is approximately negative 0.0158 centimeter per second. So that's all from me, from my explain. So I hope you all understand, and thank you for enjoying and see my video. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and bye bye, see you next time.